Hello and welcome everyone. Ever felt that sinking feeling when the truck payment is due and the wallet seems lighter than a feather? It's a common scenario that can get anyone's heart racing. But fear not, because there's always a way out. Today we'll go through 6 valuable tips and tricks that can help you manage those truck payments more effectively. First off, it's all about budgeting. Knowing where your money comes and goes is the key to financial control. Draft a budget that tracks your income and expenses, and start trimming the fat where you can. More often than not, you'll find some extra cash that can go towards your truck payment. Secondly, don't shy away from making extra payments. Even if it's just a little bit, every cent counts towards reducing your principal loan balance, which in turn shaves off the interest and helps you pay off your truck faster. Thirdly, consider refinancing your loan. High interest rates can be a real burden. By refinancing, you could lower your interest rate, making your payments more manageable. But remember, always compare rates from different lenders to secure the best deal. Fourthly, it might be time to consider selling your truck if the payments are just too much. It's a hard decision to make, but sometimes it's the right one. Fifthly, live below your means. This might sound like old news, but it's a surefire way to cut down on unnecessary expenses and save money. Finally, don't give up. It takes time, patience, and a good deal of effort to get out of debt. But remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Keep pushing forward and you'll eventually reach your goal of paying off your truck. So, to wrap it all up, create a budget, make extra payments, refinance your loan, consider selling your truck, live below your means, and never give up. With these 6 tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to conquering those truck payments. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, every cloud has a silver lining and financial freedom is just around the corner. Until next time, take care.